Good morning, students. Today I welcome you all on behalf of Rasa International School to study mathematics of class 10th. Chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. It is on your book page number 55 to 56. In this video, we will study the method, that is the algebraic method, to find out the possible solution of the equation. Which equation? The equations which are in the pair of linear equation. In this, we will study basically the elimination method to find out all the possible solution of the following pair of linear equation, the equation number 1 and equation number 2. In this, we will eliminate one of the variable by making the coefficient of that variable equal to the coefficient in both the equations. So multiply the first equation by 2 and the equation number 2 by 1 as to make the coefficient of y variable equal. So if we multiply the first equation by 2, it becomes 4x plus 6y equal to 16. Now the y variable having the coefficient as 6, so if we multiply the second equation with 1, it will remain same. Now we are able to see both the coefficients of variable y in the equation 1 and 2. Okay, when modified to 3 and 4 are equal. Now they can be eliminated if we subtract that. Then on the other hand, we are able to find that the coefficient of variable x is also equal. Now what will happen? Now if we subtract them, we will get 0 is equal to 9, which is not true, which is a false statement. That means this given pair of equation has no solution. If the statement is true, suppose it get 9 equal to 9, then we will say the given statement is true and it will have infinite many solution. But in this scenario, there is no solution because the statement the LHS is not equal to RHS. Clear? Now we are moving to the example number 13. The sum of two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digits is 66. Let us take the two-digit number be 10x plus y, where y is at unit place and x is at tens place. Okay, so that is why x is at 10th place, so it is 10x, like number 23. 3 is at unit place, so we write 3, and 2 is at tens place, so we write 20. So it will become 23. That means 2 into 10, 2 into 10 plus 3. So similarly we have written over here 10 into x plus y, because y is at unit place, that is of place of 3, and x at tens place, that is at the place of 2. Clear? Now number obtained by reversing the digit is 10y plus x, because the unit place will move to the tens place and tens place will move to the unit place. Clear? So they have said that the two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit, their sum is 66. So we can write that 10x plus y, okay, and the if the digits of the number differ by 2, दोनों digit जो हैं वो कितने हैं, उनका difference कितना है 2. Find the number and how many such numbers are there, और ऐसे कितने number होंगे. Let the tens and the unit digit in the first number be x and y respectively. So the first number may be written as 10x plus y. If expanded form, for example 56, 10 into 5 plus 6, that we have explained with the help of 23. Okay. Now when the digits are reversed, x become the unit digit and y become the tens digit. This number expanded form is 10y plus x. Okay. Now their sum is 66. So when we will solve this, so we will get 10x plus x, we get 11x, and 10y plus x, y is equal to 11y. So when we solve it, we will get x plus y equal to 6. On the other hand, they have said that we are also given that the digit difference is 2. Therefore, x minus y is equal to 2. or y minus x is equal to 2, because we don't know which number is greater. Either x is greater than y or y is greater than x. If x minus y is equal to 2, solving first and second by the elimination method, okay, we will get x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. In this case, the number is 42. Okay. If y minus x is equal to 2, by solving first and the third equation, we get x equal to 2 and y equal to 4. So the number is get 24. Okay. Thus, there are two such cases, okay, where the number can be 42 and 24. If we add them 42 and 24, we get 66, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So the difference is same, as well as the difference is same and the sum is same. On the other hand, it can be 24 plus 42, and 4 minus 2 is also 2. So there are two possible solutions. Clear? Thank you.